Customer data, which includes personal data or PII, has been sprawled to numerous cloud-based applications and third-party providers, leaving no single view of the customer. This sprawl of data is managed today through a mix of largely unconnected layers of data replication, workflow, and security. As businesses work to make every customer interaction as relevant as possible through preference-based personalization, and privacy regulations extend rights to customers for the use of their data, businesses need a new way to maintain and enable internal visibility to customer preferences and consent. More importantly, though, they need a way to manage the large and growing set of rules around what can or should be shared with whom, where, and for how long. For example, communications sent to customers should be personalized based on preferences they've selected. Use or sharing of any personal data record must be limited to the customer's consent. And the storage and processing of a customer's personal data must be limited by data residency laws. To ease the development, maintenance, and ongoing enforcement of this increasingly complex logic, NiX developed a centralized customer data management system based on a policy-based approach that works on metadata that NiX attaches to customer data. This metadata is used to centrally automate policy decisions on the data's access and flows, similarly to how modern networks use network packet headers to route network traffic. This metadata holds the answers to what customer data can or should be shared, stored, or processed, with whom, where, and for how long, making it easy to centrally enable access, in real time, to only the data which policies, customer preferences, and consent allow. NiX also involves customers in the management of their data, because being transparent with customers about their data's use increases customer trust, and the quality of their data improves when customers more regularly update it, including their selection of the preferences that marketing teams need to improve personalization. NiX further enforces the data policies in real time by managing end-to-end encryption of every record of customer data, greatly reducing the risk of human error, data misuse, and customer dissatisfaction. NiX extends this control to third parties who the business shares customer data with and who as a group are the cause of the majority of data breaches. For example, when a customer removes his or her consent for use of their data by third parties, NiX can automatically and immediately revoke the third party's access to the data by revoking the appropriate encryption key. NiX can also securely reach into apps to affect sprawled data records as appropriate. This new level of encryption also protects the data from data breach and exploit. In fact, not even NiX can access the customer data. And NiX does all this without interrupting the business from using the applications they've chosen for doing their work. At NiX, we are passionate about enabling businesses to enhance their interactions with customers, to earn their customers' trust, and to reduce the operating costs and risks associated with managing customer data in an increasingly complex regulatory environment. Please reach out to us so we can show you how you can better operationalize your customers' personal data.